Hi, good morning guys. I will install our new windscreen. I ordered this Puig VTech line from Amazon. So it takes about 10 days in getting here from USA, Philippines. Okay, let's start to install.
Unboxing. Yeah.
For a Honda ADV. Very nice. Here guys, we have the size comparison of stock windshield and from Puig aftermarket. So here's the difference. Okay, so you get some free stickers and some instruction manual here.
Red line.
Yes,
And
so I have I have decided to replace my stock because of the aerodynamic properties of Puig. So you can tell that here, and there's aerodynamic study. There's an increase in helmet protection, upper body protection, and lower body protection. So it's 49%. By the way, I purchased it in Amazon. So it's in sale and it's free shipping. So I got the smoke one. Puig. Okay. Line this one.
so how much does it cost you?
Around I think $115 or 6,000 plus in Philippine peso.
Then already shipping fee is
There,
free.
yeah, it's free shipping here.
Oh,
Get Amazon promo.
that's nice. So it is higher than the OEM ones.
Yeah. By the way,
That's-
Puig is known Spain brand
Brand.
manufacturer. So they are on motorsports, especially on uh, accessories like this one.
Windscreen.
Yeah.
Windscreens.
They're very popular in big bike windscreens. So I'm happy that Puig did some research and created windscreen for the Honda ADV.
They have also for lower CCs or particularly for Honda only?
I think they only have for this one and for Forza.
Forza. So how about NMAX or Yamaha? Sa other scooters, do they have or have you not researched?
I'm not sure, but I think this is only for Honda.
Alright. As you can see, it is higher, definitely higher than the OEM ones. You see, more wind protection indeed.
So here's the position for fully track. This is the downward position.
One more. Down.
Down position. This is the upward.
Okay.
Upward position. Aggressive.
Alright.
Yeah.
Try to hapon nga.
Definitely protect this from upcoming wind. Okay. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and click on subscribe below. Thank you.